Assalamualaikum my dear friends, how are you? Are you fine? I hope that you will be all okay and hit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home TV, and we are looking the best trendy collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming color, specially made for rainy season and completely waterproof and windproof, excellent and romantic hooded raincoats. Dear friends, my all channel is Dear friends, you are watching best and trendy collections. Dear friends, please like my video and share my videos. Dear friends, different variety my channel YouTube, Home TV, raincoats, leather dresses, leather short dresses, mini dresses. Dear friends, my videos to be end. Goodbye. Till the next uploading attractive exclusive videos. Thanks.